Good afternoon. I'm just going to do a little bit of shop here in Aldi here in Mulhuddart. This is going to be my first meal. It's 12 minutes past 12. I just came out of the park with the dogs there. So I'm going to do a bit of shopping, and as I always tell people, it's all single one ingredient food. We have all that stuff around us, all that Christmassy stuff. It's not going into my trolley. Listen, I'll take care. You'll see me going around the shop. So I'm doing my shopping in Aldi here. A bit of Christmas shopping here. If you decide, whatever supermarket you decide to go to, always remember, they're only closed for 2 days. Christmas Day and Stephen's Day, as it says on the sign there. People shop mad at Christmas. And there's a lot of food waste. Shop smart this Christmas, because there's a lot of food waste. People throw out a lot of stuff at Christmas, they buy too much. So here's me buying all my Christmas vegetables, my sprouts, my parsnips, my carrots, my potatoes. I'm buying some Granny Smith apples here as well. I'm buying mushrooms. I'm buying lemons, mixed peppers, cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna have nice food over Christmas. I'm buying red onion. I'm buying spinach. I'm buying red and white cabbage. I make coleslaw. I'm buying chicken wings. I cook with olive oil and I cook with coconut oil. If you're using seed oils or vegetable oils, you're gonna have inflammation. You're gonna have arthritis. You're gonna have aches and pains. It's no good for the human body. I buy a lot of seeds and nuts here. I buy these cashew nuts. I buy half walnuts. I buy mixed seeds. I buy pumpkin seed. I buy my milk chia seed. I'm buying this steak. I mix all this through the yogurt. I'm buying sausage meat there for stuffing for my auntie for Christmas. I'm buying ham. I'm buying Greek yogurt. Great source of protein here. I'm buying Greek style yogurt. So you see all the stuff I'm buying. You see all this ultra processed crap, a year's date on it, and has protein on the side of it. You're all being fooled by all this. If you think this is protein and you're going to get protein out of this, you might as well bang your head. There might be a small bit of protein powder in it, and just because it's 5% or 2% or 3%, they can put a big protein sign, which they're doing, on the packet. Don't be fooled by the food industry. Get your natural protein out of the yogurt, out of the eggs, which you're going to see in my trolley now. This video's coming to an end. This is part 2, and I'm up. Well, you see where the natural protein is, just right here, right now. So this is what I'm most proud of when I go into any of my supermarkets. And all the supermarkets are the same. Doesn't matter where you shop, whether it's in Dublin, London, Dubai, all over the world, you get all this crap in front of you. And I'm able to not look at, shake my head and say no. And this sort of stuff, this is the quickest way to get sugar into the blood, to a drink. And all these chocolates and things like that, I'm able to say no to all this. And this is all normalised, right, don't mind Christmas, right through the year. This is being pushed at us every single day of the week. You go into a hospital, there's vending machines with this in it. You go in an airport, it's being pushed at you. You go into a supermarket, being pushed at you. This is why 99% of people are unhealthy. And here's me coming to the bakery side, all the ultra processed crap. You have to say no to all this to get yourself into better health. People, wise up. This is part 4. I'm going to concentrate on all the ultra processed snacks, which are very addictive. These are so addictive, it's unreal. And do you honestly think any of the chief executives or any of the big managers in these companies are giving these to their kids? They're certainly not. They're out in yachts, out in Dubai or the south of France, laughing at all you people. All the big sales around Christmas time. They're laughing all the way to the bank. See all these Santa Claus drinking Coca-Cola. Listen, everybody cop on here. This is all the wrong stuff to give your kids. If you're up at night time when they're sick, this is why. Giving them Calpol 3 in the morning. Bye. So as you can see from my receipt there, 51 items. Paid by cash, by the way. Cash is king. And it's all single one ingredient food. And look, if you shop the way I shop, your family will get into much better health. Now look, everybody has a choice when we go to the supermarket. Shop smart, eat healthy. There's all my items there. All enjoy your Christmas. I'm only putting these videos out to highlight what's going on in supermarkets. 90% of the stuff or 80% of the stuff around us is all unhealthy. All take care. Enjoy your Christmas. And look, I'm going to make some great meals out of this. All take care. And as I say, enjoy your Christmas. Farmer Joe in Dublin, all take care. Bye now.